Yo, what the hell is going on right now? Yo, Brody, you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
Bro, what's going on?
I'm just blowing my runny nose, but you know how it is with this cold weather.
No, yeah, I hear you, but look, here, take this boom boom stick, bro. It's gonna help you out with your nose.
What the hell is this?
Bro, all you have to do is just put it in your nose and suck. It's gonna remove the stuffy nose you got.
Attach a product like this.
Exactly. Just suck it. Just suck it.
Suck it. Damn.
It's good, right?
Like refresh.
Yeah.
And everything.
And it smells good too, right?
Yeah, it gives off like a Vicks vapor rub type of scent.
Of course.
Yo, but where I gotta go to get these?
Bro, just go on the TikTok shop.
In the TikTok shop?
Yeah.
How much are these?
Bro, you get 20 for 4 packs.
20 for 4 packs?
Exactly. Yeah.
Damn, bro, appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, bro. Just make sure you just click the link down below, gang.
Got you, gang.
All right, for sure.